Hello, everyone. Today we're at the beach because... No swimming today, I'm afraid, Max. We're here to help Vicky because her engine won't start. Now, let's see what the problem is. You need a new battery to power your motor. And your freezer needs power to stop all the ice cream from melting. Don't worry, Max. We'll tow Vicky back to the garage. I've got a brand new battery just for you. It's okay, Blue. That sound is just Tilly's turbocharger, which gives her power to tow other vehicles. Oh, no! That sound means Tilly's starter motor has broken. Now her engine won't start either. Oh, nuts and bolts. I need to fix Vicky and Tilly back at the garage. But now we have no way of getting there.
Strawberry ice cream, please. Wait, no, chocolate. Vanilla.
Sorry, Mr. Weasel. Vicky's lost power, so she can't serve any ice cream today.
No ice cream.
We were about to tow Vicky back to the garage, but Tilly broke down too, so now we're all stranded.
We must have ice cream. Sly can tow you back.
It's very kind of you to offer help, Mr. Weasel, but I don't think Sly's engine has the power to tow us all.
Oh, I really wanted some ice cream. I really wanted to help. If only Sly had more power.
I have an idea. We'll put Tilly's turbocharger into Sly, then you will have the power to tow us home.
And then we get ice cream?
If we work together, we can fix Tilly and Vicky in time for everyone to have ice cream. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, undo these bolts, then remove the turbocharger. And now we fit it into Sly's engine by bolting it securely.
Righty-tighty. Yes, we did it.
It worked! Now let's get back to the garage. Vicky and Tilly are both fixed up and good as new.
So is it ice cream time now?
What do you think, Vicky? If you're stuck and don't know what to do, help from friends will get you through. Goodbye, everyone.
I'm so happy.
Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for movie night here at the garage. How's it looking, Grandma?
The screen looks perfect, Gecko. Oh, hello there, Blue. I hope you're getting my good side.
Now we just need the truck family to bring the popcorn machine and we're ready.
Huh? Baby Truck. Oh, what's wrong, dear?
Mummy Truck's in danger. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Baby Truck, lead the way. Spinning screwdrivers! Mummy Truck could fall into the river. Whether friends or family in need, us geckos help with care and speed. All set, Grandma! It's not working.
If only her trailer were lighter.
That's it! We can lighten Mummy Truck's load if we pop that corn. To stop Mummy Truck from dropping, I need to make this corn start popping.
Hurry, Gecko! That popcorn needs to pop faster.
Then let's boost the power. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I know. Get Go, go, Mummy Truck!
Grandma's got you, dear.
Yay! The taste of sweet success.
What movie are we watching, Gecko? Attack of the Giant Forklift?
No, it's a special premiere. Blues film, A Brave Baby Truck's Rescue.
Ooh, I hear the cast is fabulous.
Hello, everyone. It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start? Achoo!
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, go, mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans. Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes. Oh.
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging, and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads, water hose, Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly, so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed. Ah, you're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better! Take me home, dear Sly. No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
Ah, you're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Kat has challenged us to a game of American football. So today, we're the Gecko's Garage Go-Getters. Prepare to face Catalina Felina el Fuego. Come on, mechanicals. Let's try our best. But most of all, have fun. Let's play. Vamos, quarterback Eric. Use your super strong piston arm. We need to stop that ball. Oh. Touchdown! 6 points. Don't worry. Now it's our turn to try and score a touchdown. 10, 6, 12. Hut! Ha! Throw it as hard as you can, Yellow! Oh.
Interception! I'll take that. Touchdown! Another 6 points.
Ooh, nearly. Okay, Mechanicals, we can score a touchdown. I know it. We just need to find a way to throw the ball past the other team. But how? Aha! The pistons in Eric's arm help him throw really far. Now I know how we can get a touchdown. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll bolt in this hydraulic piston like the one on Eric's arm. Now Yellow has the power to throw really far. Ready, Mix? Time for a touchdown! Blue! I'll catch you! Blue, you did it! We scored a touchdown! And what a pass, Yellow!
And you saved Blue, Gecko. That was the best catch I've ever seen.
Thanks, Cat. No matter if we lost or won, what matters is we all had fun. Goodbye, everyone. Blue, go long! Hello, everyone. Today, we're refitting Helena's skids. And then Blue is going to help repair Helena's autopilot so she can fly herself.
Gracias, Gecko and Blue. Helena will soon fly and land safer than ever.
One skid secured, one skid to go. Rotating wrenches! Why is Helena's engine starting? Stay calm, Blue!
No, I think Blue accidentally hit Helena's start button. Blue, whatever you do, don't touch the control stick.
Come on, Blue! I'm coming!
Mother, Helena can't fly herself without an autopilot, and Gecko has never flown a helicopter before. We need to help. Vámonos. Let's follow that helicopter.
It's okay, Blue. We just need to stay calm and keep flying steady. Tree? Huh? Tree!
Ah! The door!
Nuts and bolts! Oh, sorry, Helena. I need to learn how to fly a helicopter.
Come in, Gecko. Time for a flying lesson to land Helena. Over.
But we can't land Helena on just one skid.
Land on the jack for support. Then we can fit the other new skid.
Hovering hinges. That's a great idea, Cat. Now, how do I land Helena?
Use the right pedal to reduce power and gently push the stick to lower altitude.
Understood. Here we come. Phew. Thanks, Cat. Great teamwork. But we need to fix Helena's door and skid before she takes off again. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Bolt this skid on nice and tight for a smooth landing after every flight. These hinges operate Helena's door, held by screws to keep her secure. The door is fixed and the skids are a pair. Now Helena can get back up in the air.
Fantastico, Gecko. And you too, Blue. But remember to be careful when you're in the cockpit.
Flying a helicopter is fun, Blue, but I think I'll stick to driving Tilly on the ground. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. we're getting ready for our Christmas party! You made an invitation for Mr. Weasel and Sly to our party? What a wonderful idea, Blue!
An invitation to a Christmas party at Gecko's garage. For us, Sly. No, thank you. We'll have a much better party here. I didn't know it was Christmas.
Never mind, Mex. Christmas isn't about who has the best party. It's about being together. Let's get those brilliant decorations up, eh?
Work faster! We must have a bigger, better Christmas party than Gecko! Sly! I need your battery to power this snow machine! Hurry! More snow! No! My party is ruined! Sly, are you okay?
Sparky screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel might need some help. Are you both okay?
Something's wrong with Sly! He's lost all his power!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll find out what's wrong. Aha! I see the problem. Sly's alternator needs replacing.
His alternator?
The alternator helps to charge Sly's battery, which gives him electric power. What tool do we need? Wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Bolt the alternator to the engine, then connect this wire. All done.
My Sly! Thank you, Gecko.
Anytime, friends. Oh, wow! Your party decorations look great!
Really? You're welcome to stay if you like. We'd really like that, wouldn't we, Sly?
We'd love to. And I have an idea.
Our party! It's a Christmas miracle!
Christmas is a time to share and to show each other that you care. Wow, look at that! Oh, thank you! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Oh, there go the sprouts all over the floor. Sly.
Boo! Hee-hee! Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome to our ghoulish garage! Huh? That must be Trevor delivering his Halloween pumpkins.
Yeah.
Oh no! Someone's stolen Trevor's pumpkins! Who would be so mean on Halloween? We'll help you find your pumpkins, Trevor. Now that we've finished decorating the garage, come and see. Our celebrations were all too brief. It seems that there's a Halloween thief.
Come on in and have a squeal! My haunted house is a steal! Not so fast! It'll cost you a bucket of candy each! No, Sly! You overgrown pumpkin patch! Oh!
in danger? Show us the way.
Huh?
Spooky screwdrivers! Let's get you out of here, Barry.
Thanks, Blue. You really are my knight in shining armour.
Go, Barry!
Gecko!
I'll help you, Mr. Weasel, if you promise to return everything you've stolen.
Oh, okay. I promise.
There you go, Trevor. Now everyone can enjoy your Halloween pumpkins.
Oh, I hate pumpkins. Not funny.
Bye, everyone. Happy Halloween.
Hello, everyone. Trevor's just delivered his plough for us to fix. Huh? Ah, and here's Dandy with Fiona Firetruck for her checkup. Coming, you two. Oopsie! It's freezing out here. Ooh. Hello, Dandy.
Oh, hi, Gecko. Hey, Mechanicals. Who wants a game of tag? Zoinks! Looks like I'm it!
Shall we get started on your checkup, Fiona?
Mechanicals, where are you?
Everything's looking good so far, Fiona. Let's just check your hose.
Are you hiding in here? Ooh. Dandy dive!
Huh? Dandy, are you okay?
Whoa! Gecko, come outside! The water from the hose has frozen.
Careful, Blue. It's not an ice rink. The ice is too bumpy to skate on. How can we make it smooth and safe? Aha! I know how to make an ice rink. We'll turn Fiona into an ice resurfacer. What tools do I need? Wrench! Drill!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
The ice is too bumpy, so to make it smooth, the blades in this plough can remove all the grooves. Attach Fiona's hose to the plough here, please, to create a flat layer of water to freeze. This old car wash sponge will polish and shine. And now our ice rink is mighty fine. Oh, it's working! Thanks, Fiona. Together we turned an accident into brilliant fun.
Look how much fun the Mechanicals are having. I'm so excited to skate.
It's safe to skate now, Blue. I've got you.
I'm skating!
Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, hello everyone. We're repairing the Mechanicals' roof pipe, but it's so hot today.
Hi, Gecko! We're here for Fiona Firetruck's service.
Sure thing, Dandy. But, aren't you hot in your firefighting coat?
Yes, a little bit. But I keep it on in case of emergencies.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's get to work on Fiona. Spinning screwdrivers! The Mechanicals are overheating. How can we cool you down?
Stay calm! Daddy can help! Sorry, Mechanicals. Fiona needs to save water in case of a fire.
Dandy's right. We shouldn't waste water. But Yellow's given me an idea. We can build a water slide to help us cool down, using these extra pieces of pipe. We need to reuse the water so none is wasted. That's it, Green. We can recycle the water back into Fiona's tank.
Great idea, Gecko. Then the water could go round, around, around.
Exactly. Now, what tools do I need? Welding torch, screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
We'll add new sections so the pipe is long, then weld it together to make it strong. This pump will pull water up through a hose, and then back into Fiona's tank it flows. Fix the pump to the tank and tighten the screws, and finally our water slide is ready to use. Great work, everyone. Time to cool down. This is great!
Daddy, die! Oh, don't worry. Daddy's got this. Hooray!
What a cool way to spend a hot day. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today we're training to be pilots, and our friend Kat is going to teach us.
Attention, mechanicals! Gecko! Being a pilot is more than just flying. You need to train your body and your mind. Are you ready, chicos?
Aye, aye, Captain Cat!
Vamos! Let's do some training exercises together. But remember, it's not a competition. Just give your best effort. Y fin. Your turn, chicos.
This ramp sure is slippery. I got you, Blue. Grab the rope.
Si se puede, Blue. You did it.
It's okay, Blue. Keep going.
Great job. Puedes hacerlo, Blue. Our final test is an obstacle course. Ready? Set. Fuera.
Rusty wrenches! Your ball wheel's broken! Don't worry, Blue. We'll fix you up just like new. What tool do we need? Screwdriver!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
We need to replace the ball wheel. So first, let's unscrew the damaged one. Lefty-loosey. Out with the old. In with the new. Now screw it in tight. There. This pilot's ready to fly.
One last touch. I have new goggles and something muy especial para ti, Blue. You passed your pilot training.
What's important is you tried your best. The best that Blue can do. And every time you fell down, you got back up again.
That's the spirit of a true pilot. Hey, Blue, how would you like to be my first mechanical co-pilot?
Well done, Blue!
When you give something your best try, you never know how far you'll fly. Goodbye, everyone.